How's it going, everybody? Welcome to Show Flooring, our warehouse store where we have over 1,000,000 square feet of flooring in stock. We've got everything. We got vinyl click, vinyl glue down, hardwood, porcelain tile, carpet, laminate. We've got it all. I'm going to show you some cool stuff that we have on sale right now. And right up front, we got a couple really nice Stainmaster options. Look at this one. $1.59 a square foot. Look at the stats on that. Stainmaster Fletcher oak. If you're going to Lowe's, you're going to spend $2.99 a square foot on that, but not at Show Flooring. Same thing over here. We got the Vernon Hickory color. $1.75. You're spending over $3 at the big box stores. We got a bunch of really awesome stuff in store that we're about to show you. Follow along. By far, our most popular product is our vinyl click. And we have so many colors and different thicknesses in stock. We've got something perfect for your project and budget. Starting out at $1.29 a square foot, you can't go wrong with our vinyl click. Look at these huge piles. Boxes on boxes on pallets on pallets. It's everywhere. Everybody loves life-proof vinyl click. We've got a few options in store. This one's been really popular. Banff Gray. 22 mil wear layer. $2.09 a square foot. And this is what you'd be paying if you went to the other guys. But not us. We got awesome deals. We've also got some really great tile options in stock. Like I mentioned earlier, we got a few different looks. We got the marble look, stone look, different sizes, 12 by 12, 12 by 24, 24 by 24, and we even got this nice polish, 20 by 40. Look at that price. You're not going to beat it, especially on those large format tiles. You're spending way more than that at the big box store. We are overflowing with hardwood right now. We just got a few trucks in. Got some awesome pre-finished deals starting at $1.99. We've got unfinished hardwood starting at 99 cents a square foot. We also have some nicer stuff, Select and Better. Got a bunch of different color options on the pre-finished. Yeah, we just got in some Select and Better. Really nice stuff. High quality, no knots, long boards. Right now we've got an awesome sale on area rugs right now. 50% off when you spend $100 or more in the store. No limit on the discount. Once you hit $100, you can get as many rugs as you want at 50% off. That's a smoking deal. Tons of in-stock carpet options. We got something for everybody. We also got a ton of rolls of turf grass starting at 69 cents a square foot. Perfect for batting cages, indoor sports, synthetic lawns, you name it. Perfect for pets.